So I've been having a hard start problem, and come to find out, I think my fuel pump, I think it's going out. It's taking forever to build up the pressure to crank it over or to fire it up, but I'm gonna go ahead and pull it off, and I'm gonna go in the morning and pick one up. But I'm trying to get this tripod set up so y'all can see me. I done took the line off here. I had to hold some pliers right there while I took that off. And my wire back here, it broke. So the hardest part, I got a 7/16 to bust these off. The hardest one is the top one back here to get. But I had a S wrench, 7/16, and I used that to kind of break it. But I found out if I take a 7/16 socket and I put it back there with a little extension, I can get my wrench right here and take it off. So I used an inch wrench to break this loose. And I did the camera. Anyway. And this is coming from the check valve by the ECM cooler plate. And that just pulls down. Some rust in the fuel, it looks like. But anyway, just put that down there. And I got that bolt back here. It's a, oh, I can't see, let me adjust the camera. It's back here. It's just like that 7/16 I used. There's one right here. The best way I found, put my wrench back here. If you can see that. Get on it. It's a little tricky. But just break that loose. Got a washer back there. You just got 4 of these holding it on. So there's one. Then there's another one under here, back over there. Try to get this. That won't work. Let me get a wrench. This 7/16. Put under there. There we go. Try to get it by hand now. second one. Now all I like is this one and that one, and it should come off. There's a hose, a line here, but it just goes through the underneath. And I think that's the only thing that's left holding it on with these two. Get this one off. Now I found a company an hour away that rebuilds these, and they have one in stock, so I done bought it, and I'm gonna go tomorrow and pick it up. Hopefully this is my problem. Yeah, you can already see it's getting loose. It should sit there. Now I'm gonna pull it out. I don't know how heavy this thing is. Is oil supposed to do that? Hey, is oil supposed to pour out of here?
A little bit.
Huh? I think the seal's gone.
What's that on the ground? Fuel oil?
Huh?
Seal got it what?
The back of this compressor. What is holding this in? Oh, crap. Oh, we got a problem. Huh? No, I'm saying this bolt, this bracket's got to go.
Where's
It's
the oil
holding.
come out of? Ain't much, huh?
Yeah, it's a good.
How would it shut it off? It's gonna be a little bit, I think.
I don't know.
Put a pan under it. I think it's a little bit from the ain't.
Can you go get one? I think I gotta pull this bracket off. I think I gotta pull this bracket. Huh? Yeah, I do. So I gotta pull that bracket right there. That's it. It wasn't too hard. Just that hose. Oh, you can't see it, but the hose coming from the check valve. This one going to your injectors, floor bolts, and then that hold down. It's pretty simple. But yeah, I'm gonna go tomorrow and get that pump, and I'll make a video of putting it back together.